This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heidi Galino. Welcome to your little piece of paradise in the gated community of Bonita Isle, located in the lakes of SHERBROOKE. As you enter this home, you will love the feeling of the open floor plan. This home features beautiful lake views with your own dock for fishing, pool overlooking lake, updated kitchen with granite counters and stainless steel appliances, formal dining room and den office right off the family room, which has a gas fireplace, complete with buried propane tank. Also, all but 2 windows at entrance and sliding doors onto patio have hurricane impact windows. The other 3 have accordion shutters. The pool has a gas heater, but is not connected and owner has never used, so unsure if it works. For more information, review the details below.